Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Removing someone from your friend list helps you manage your connections and keep your Snapchat experience private. So, let's get started on how to unfriend someone on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. Go to the chat section by swiping right on the camera section or tapping the chat option from the bottom of your screen. Scroll through your chats to find the user that you want to unfriend. Now, long press the user's profile until a menu appears. From the menu, select the Manage Friendship option. Next, tap on the Remove Friend option. Finally, tap on the Remove option again to confirm. And this is how you can unfriend someone on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.